guys, morning. Welcome to another catch up, section 6. So, as you can see, we are up to some stuff today. But by the way, for the first few weeks, we've been working. As you guys can see, you've never see all this bag. We make this, and make those one as well. So we have a place to go, so we have to just arrange everything, pick out what we need, so we proceed. But I don't know if I can do a time lapse of me arranging everything, but whichever way it goes, the catch up is just for us to show you what we've been up to, update you. It's not much that we show you everything we are doing, but we can just talk about it and show you a little bit, and you guys learn from it. So, and there's an event we'll be going today. Probably if I can take you guys along, I will try. If not, as usual, promise and faith. So that is everything. I just need to pack. There are some I need to drop, there are some I need to. Everything there is going, and almost everything on this shelf, both the tiny bag and those 2 bags there. I just need to arrange them, fit everything here. And these are the tote bag I was talking about, I think, in the last catch up. Both this one, everything is here. So later on, I'll just try to show you. Maybe if I'm at the event, I'll just try to do a short video so you guys will see what I'm talking about and how beautiful they are. So guys, stay tuned. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, you can use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video on the channel. Leave in the comment section down below what you think, if you want to ask of anything. And for those of you who want to learn, we have our online training, train people. All this you are seeing here professionally, and for physical, we also have our physical class you can attend as long as you are close to where we are or in the city here. So guys, enough talking. I will see you at the continuation of the video. See you guys later. So guys, this is the continuation of the catch up. We are working on some new design. As you can see, once I finish, I'm going to show you just the process. It's just a mini bag with a outside lock that has a kind of pulley system a little bit. So that's just it so far. The shop is just like empty. So we are working on some backpack as well. So here is the backpack. I'm working on it. I don't know if there will be time for me to show the time lapse, or if not, once I finish I will show you. This is prepared just for me to gum the lining. After I apply gum and attach down the lining, then from there we proceed to the rest of the making. So that's just it so far. No much activities at the shop right now, but I'm loving this pics, the way it's colorful, actually very nice. Loving it. So that's the update so far. Nothing much, nothing less to show you guys, but whichever way it goes, you get updated once we are working on any other thing before we end the catch up. for this is one we are working on right now. So right now I'm going to start applying gum to this. Also this, I need to cut the lining. That's why I keep this one here. So once I apply gum to it, I need to measure the lining, so I cut everything together at once. Actually the lining for this button have been cut already. That's leads on the decks there. So enough talking to you guys, let me proceed with the rest of the activities and I will see you guys later. So here we have with the rest of the process. I just apply gum to this one. So once we are done, I'm just going to show you the outcome of the work, so you guys will see how the process is going. Right now I'm about to cut the lining. So once I cut the lining, I'll cut the rest of the work. So guys, enough talking, I will see you guys later. So guys, here are the two backpack I was making that I show you. As you can see, the black one, they are all looking gorgeous. The black one, then we have the blue one. This is actually navy blue. You see the way it's shining. This is navy blue mixed with this combination of ashoke, which you can wear with gray, blue, white, pink, you know. Then we have this one which has yellow, red and white. They are all nice. Then we have this small clutch bag with chain as well. This is lightweight bag, very nice and very simple. So there are the bags so far, and there are a lot of things going on in the workshop, but probably very soon you guys will get to know as we continue with the rest of the activities. And on this side there's nothing here other than as you can see, there's no black bag here. I cleared them. Most of them are packaged, stored inside this particular bag and everything there, and that one inside. So you know, dust, rain is going, dust is coming. As you can see, we can't keep everything here. We can't display everything here. As here is the workshop. This is not even a showroom. So we just, once we are producing them, we just try to show a little bit of it. Afterwards, we package them, then send it to the client or to wherever they are going. So guys, this is just the update so far, and later on, okay, there's still something I was supposed to show you. This bag is sent to me by a client. We need to remake this. We'll be using ashoke for the body. The bag has started peeling, and the client said they really love this frame here. So we'll be using ashoke to make this one. Precisely the white, yellow, and horse blood I show you outside is the same thing we'll be using to make this now, which is here, this one. So probably, I don't know if this will be included in this month's catch up. If there's time for us before we end the catch up, we'll do this, you'll see. Or if there's no time, it will be next month's catch up. But whichever way it goes, I don't know yet. We'll keep you guys updated. So that's just so far. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you at the continuation of the weekly updates of the catch up. I mean, not weekly updates. So if there's any updates, I will come back to tell you about it, and if that is where we'll be ending it, then so be it. So guys, thank you for watching, and this is just a small view of the workshop so far. You know, it's a little bit organized, but not the way it's supposed to be organized. This is just a workshop, not a showroom. Workshop / office. So guys, enough looking at it. See you guys later. So morning guys, this is still the continuation of the catch up. So right now, the bag I showed you a few days ago, the backpack and the clutch bag, which is this particular one here. Right now I'm about to package them, sending it, because I think it's going to Chicago. No, not Chicago, Washington. Yeah, they're Washington. So I will be taking it to DHL office now. But yet, I think they should not wait so much. I don't know if this is 1 kg. It should not be more than 1 kg everything, or at least 3 kg. At least maximum 3 kg. So I'm about to go send everything now. So from there, you know what to do. I don't know if I get there, if I'm able to film. If I'm not able to film, I'll just come back and tell you how it goes. So those are the bag there. Saying bye bye to the bags. And I think I'm going to use them for the thumbnails of this month's catch up. So I'm going to take a picture of them now and just show them. So that would be the picture for the catch up of this month. So guys, the shop is still the way it is, but I have to go. This is Monday morning. I have to go send it now because I was supposed to be there by 10 and this is past 8 already. So I have to prepare everything and go there. Once I do, I will try my best to see if I can just film a little bit there, even if it's me talking or after I package everything there. So guys, see you guys later. Enough seeing my face. The shop is still the way it used to be. Nothing has changed so far. So guys, see you later. Thank you for being here. So guys, this bag, I think I show you, it's a recycle bag. This is the main body, as you can see. So we make it into Ankara, we change all the lining and everything. So I have made this for the past few days. I didn't remember to make a video. Okay, no, I make the making, but I didn't remember to put it in the catch up. So I'm doing this already now because I'll be taking it to the client as early tomorrow. It's in the US embassy, but you are not allowed to film there. So I don't know if I can just like take a sneak peeks or anything, but I'll try my best. So this is the bag so far. I'm just showing you now. The inside I use a orange lining, as you can see, very beautiful. It's a inside pockets. So this is it so far, and I'll see you guys at the continuation of the catch up. Hope you are loving this. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the catch up. So I think I went to the market a few days ago. I bought some material. I will be showing you just in seconds now, but there will not be time for us to make those bags in this month's catch up. We have to wait till next month before you guys can watch it. As you can see, we have everything here. So you guys have watched everything, even from the ones we make, the ones I send, the clutch purse, the clutch bag, the Ashoke backpack, everything, and the purse I make from last month catch up that I didn't get to show you much. I show you this month. So guys, thank you guys for watching everything. We really appreciate you guys. For those of you who have just subscribed to the channel, we really appreciate you, and for those of you who have not subscribed, we also appreciate you, but you keep coming back to watch our video. So guys, whichever way it goes, okay, let me just show you the material I was talking about, then I will end the video there. So guys, thank you guys for being here, and see you at the other side. So guys, here is the material I was talking about. As you can see, this green, actually I'm using it for a different thing. I have this orange, I think I have a carton color, this carton color, another green. The green I'm going to use for the main bag. Then I think this hash, but this will be replacing black because there's no black at the stock presently, and we have the lining. So this is the two new Ashoke I just get. I'll be using. I will be using this for the majority of the bag because it has the combination of all the color, and I will be also using this for a another one which is the same, almost the same thing as this, but this has glitter on it while this there's no glitter. So that's just it, guys. Next month you guys should be expecting all of this, so you watch everything next month as it's going. And there's another update. As you guys can see, we've made this, I think, for the past since last year, but I didn't get time. And if I calculated now, it should be up to like 5 or 6 months. And this one I fixed it already, but I don't like the way it is. You can't see it clearly sometimes. Okay, it's clear, but it's supposed to be on a white background with nothing at the back. If I fix this, you guys will be seeing this next catch up. This will be more clearer than this because this is having white at the back. So I was thinking of putting gold at the background or white. So whichever way it goes, the next catch up you guys are going to see it. But you know me with procrastination, I may decide not to even do anything on that again, but whichever way it goes as well, we'll still update you. Don't mind this while you are seeing. That is our inverter we are trying to fix coming up. The panel is up. This is the charger controller. We're trying to tackle the issue of electricity in this place as everything is now high. That is just by the way, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next month's catch up. Thank you and bye for now.